Pakistan, and I have a very good business in Nigeria. But after that, there was some kind of restrictions from your government, like registrations. Now I'm still, I have a business, not a big, but now a limited business in Nigeria. So before we have to export our products to Nigeria, the importers have to get a format. That means the format is just like certification of importations. So in this situation, I think it's very difficult for importers to buy the products from Pakistan. So I understand that Nigeria is a hub for the African countries, but there should be a friendly, trade deals with other, with Pakistan as well as with the other African countries. There is a lot of potentials in Nigeria because it's a big country and have a lot of scopes to do a business in Nigeria. But friendly policies will definitely affect on this situations. So I wish and request that you discuss with your government, with the trade ministries, that remove the registrations from, especially we are talking about the surgical instruments. We understand that we can export in big quantity to Nigeria. So problem is that registration. And I told you that I'm still doing a business in Nigeria, but I cannot export until we have a format. So please consider this situation. Thank you very much.